Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is RPHV and welcome to the platform of Pharmapedia once again with a new drug of the drug series, that is acetylcysteine. It is a drug 4. So let's begin the video. Acetylcysteine belongs to the class of the drug that is mucolytic and its brand name is Mucolator. It is available in the sachet form, in the granules form, with the strength of the 100 mg and the 200 mg per sachet of the acetylcysteine. So now comes to the mechanism of action. And acetylcysteine having the direct antioxidant effect, so it reduces the oxidative stress and inflammation, ultimately reduce the mucus secretion and protect the alpha antitrypsin. Along with this, it also improves the mucociliary clearance. So what is the combined effect of these two outputs? It improves the lung function, it controls the symptoms and reduces the exacerbation rate. Now its pharmacology. Acetylcysteine decreases the viscosity of the secretion, that's why it is called the mucolytic. It breaks down the mucus and is used as a mucolytic agent in eye and in the bronchial nebulizing solution. Acetylcysteine is a sulfahydryl compound and act to increase the synthesis of the glutathione in the liver. Now its indication. It is used in the acute and chronic bronchitis, respiratory conditions associated with viscous mucus, and abdominal complications associated with cystic fibrosis. As you can see at the left hand side, healthy airway and the cystic fibrosis, so ultimately it breaks down the mucus and improve the airflow. That's why it is used in the cystic fibrosis. And obviously acetaminophen overdose. Now its dosage. Dissolve granules in water before administration. Its adult dose is 200 mg 2 to 3 times daily, and in children 100 mg 2 to 3 times daily. Now its precautions. It is used with precautions in the diabetic patients, and its adverse effect are GI disturbance, urticaria, headache and tinnitus. Now the mild interaction of acetylcysteine include the drugs azithromycin, conjugated estrogens, chloramphenicol, clarithromycin, demycocycline, dichlorphenamide, doxycycline, mincocycline. Ultimately these are the antibiotics, and probenecid, tetracyclines and vancomycin. So that's all with this video and with this drug. Inshallah, see you with a new drug. Till that, Allah Hafiz.